Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really amazing candle holder thing DIY. This DIY is perfect for summertime or springtime, you know, if you want to eat outside, you know, like have a candle at dinner. It's very rustic, Scandinavian vibes, and I really love it. So without further ado, let's just get right into this. Okay guys, so what you're going to need for this DIY is, first of all, obviously you're going to need twigs. You can cut these from outside, if you find a tree somewhere, you know, you can cut them up. Don't worry about leaves and stuff, you just cut them off when you get them. Or you could buy them in a craft shop, I suppose, but that's like a bit more expensive, and we're trying to, like, you know, reduce costs here. So cut them from outside. I'm sure you can find a tree somewhere in your area or neighborhood, wherever you are. Also, you're going to need cylindrical glasses, or you could use jam jars, I suppose. You know, whatever you have around the house is like, you could really, anything that's like has a circular shape, I suppose, would work. And then finally you're going to need twine and a scissors. And also wouldn't hurt to have a measuring tape or some sort of ruler or measuring device, so you can just, you know, make sure you're getting the right length. If, you know, this is optional, that's an optional piece of equipment. Okay guys, so to start off this DIY, you're going to need to get your twine and just pull it a good length, just so you have enough that would wrap around the cylindrical glass about 5 times, you know, because you're going to be tying and stuff, so you need extra because you don't want to run short. So once you have your twine all cut and measured, you need to get your first little twig, okay? Get your first little twig, make a loop with the twine and put the twig through it, and then tie it once. Insert another twig and do the same thing. Now guys, you need to keep wrapping and tying your knot on each twig as you go through until you have a long enough of a length of twigs to wrap around your glass or whatever it is you're using. So once you've done this, you get your glass and just wrap your twigs around the glass and then tie it at the ends with the twine. And there you guys, there you have it. That's your DIY branched twigged candle holder thing. I suppose you could use these as vases as well. I mean, that would be interesting with your flowers. It look really cool. I just love how the light plays with this when you light your little tea light inside. The light kind of disperses each side through the branches and just looks very magical and pretty. So yes guys, that's this month's DIY, and I'm so sorry I didn't put the DIY last month. It was just very crazy, you know, my 21st in New York and everything going on, so I didn't get a DIY last month, and I apologize for that. But I have a lot more planned for the rest of the year, so get ready. That's all I'm gonna say. It's very Scandinavian, rustic kind of vibes I get from it, and I really love that. I'm really loving that aesthetic at the minute. So if you enjoyed this, please let me know down in the comments. Also, if you're gonna try this at home, please send me pictures and tag me on Instagram. It's at jmc_dot_com. But anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. But oh, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also that little notification bell, just to be notified when I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.